Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making baked Parmesan crusted pork chops. Alright, I'm starting out here in a bowl. I have 2 eggs and about 3 tablespoons of milk. I'm going to give that a quick scramble. We're going to make the breading for our pork chops. I'm going to put in a teaspoon of garlic salt. This is one of the rare occasions where I'm using some garlic salt. I'm also going to add in some black pepper, about a half a teaspoon. You just want to blend everything together well. Alright, now over here in this bowl I have a cup of panko breadcrumb. To that I'm going to add a half a teaspoon of garlic salt. I'm going to add in a half a teaspoon of lemon pepper seasoning, which my lemon pepper got a little hard on me. I'm going to add in a half a teaspoon of Italian seasoning and a half a teaspoon of onion powder and 3/4 of a cup of grated Parmesan cheese. This is that stuff like you put on spaghetti. That's about good. Alright, let me grab a clean fork. And I'm going to mix together our breadcrumb mixture, break up these clumps of cheese, get everything all blended well together. Yes, Dexter, I'm doing a video, buddy. He's happy because we're not having chicken today. Right, now I have some center cut boneless pork chops here. I'm going to dip them into the egg mixture and then get them down into the breadcrumb. And I have a cookie sheet over here with a rack that raises up a little bit. I lined it with foil for easy cleanup. I'm going to get my chops all coated and get them over here on the cookie sheet. Right now that I have my pork chops all coated on the pan, I'm going to spray them down with a little bit of olive oil. You could also use cooking spray in the can or put a little melted butter over top of them. Now I'm going to put these in a 350-degree oven for 35 minutes. Alright, my pork chops are done, and what I did is the last few minutes I stuck them under the broiler to get them brown. But you got to keep an eye on them because they'll burn real quick under there. These are ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. I also went ahead and made some scalloped potatoes and some garlic butter corn on the cob to go with this. Let me try this pork chop, guys. I can see the juice just coming out on the top. See the pork chops cooked through. Give this a try. Guys, the pork chop is moist, tender, crispy coating on the outside, well seasoned. Baked Parmesan crusted pork chops. Thanks for watching and supporting me, and remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.